Now, once we are done with adding our audience, let's create a template. You can add as many templates you want. First, we'll create maybe a welcome emailer or admission emailer, whichever emailer. So let's try and create one. Go to create. First, you create a template. You go to email template. There are several templates out here already. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. And if you have a paid account, you can go ahead with the same. And if you want to use some free template, you can go ahead with same. And you can also code your own. Maybe if you want to you know HTML, then you can put your code as well. So let's try and do it. Let's take this this email template, and we'll change it. So if you see now, you can see a drag and drop builder. Let it load, and we'll change it entirely. Now, what I'm doing is I want to change this. Maybe I want to put my own logo here. You go to replace. I'll check if I have my logo added here. In the gallery, if you don't have added in your gallery, of course, you can any day upload it from your system. Save and close. Now, if I click here, it asks me to upload another image. There's one image which I want to replace, and maybe here I'm putting admission image. Replace. Upload. Here you go. Okay, I'll put this image. For time being, I'm uploading an image which is a square image though. Maybe if you want, usually mailers are 600 to 650 width in pixels, and height could be any depending upon how big your mailer is and how big you want it to be. So here I'm writing ADMC. Since a lot of content is already written on the image, I have still pinpoint some content. Maybe I can try and use that content. I've added some content in notes. So I just did Control-Shift-V so that it takes it the same formatting. And of course, I'll change the color because this pink color is not resonating with our content. It has to be orange or red. Here you go. Subject written planning to upskill in 2021. How about giving digital edge to your career? This career. That's it. So I'm not writing this year or 2021. It's already there above. Now we also have to change the color. Let's see. Here's the color. If you know the hex code of your colors, you can take that same color. And if you don't know, then you have to somewhere choose here. So I'll just try and choose it here. And then certainly I can also take the hex code. I can try it here. If you see, I have added an extension, which is a color picker, and I want to pick the same color of my image. So here, if I see, it will put this. If I click here, it will pick this. So I have this hex code with me, and what I'll do is I'll paste this hex code here. And I entered. Now, if you see, the both colors are same. So here we go. So I'm just saving and closing this particular area. Now I have more templates out here. If I want to add something more, let's add the line out here. I go and add some line. I have already added some of it in my notes. If you want to leverage digital marketing for post-marketing using, DMCP is for you. So just add it. Now if this is a shop now button, I'll change this button again. No more. And I can put it to my website and add my website link. Making emailers is really quick and easy. Here I've added the link and save and close. Now if you go here, if you want to add some images, I can add here. If I don't want to add some images, it's okay to leave it. And I'm leaving this free shipping, and maybe let's say maybe we can add online and offline classes since we have both. So I'm just adding some. Else you can also remove whatever you don't want. And I'm just taking it to be bold. And at the same time, I'm also planning to increase the size. Now, if I don't want this, I can remove. If I want, I can add. I'm deleting it. And this also I don't want. Delete. So deleted these blocks. If you want to add blocks, you can add certainly. And since there's already a divider below, so I'm just removing this divider as well. And save and close. So if you see, we have these sections. Now here we don't want to add, so we are just leaving apparently. Don't change footer, anything in footer, because the footer will automatically take all the details which you had put when you were creating a Mailchimp account. So here we go. We have a logo, we have an image, we have some text content to show, we have this no more button. And if you want, you can add something here. Since I removed it, let's say if I want to add some image, let's try and add some image. I'm adding one image here. Let's upload an image. I have some student pictures which I like to upload. Let's say, okay, I'll upload this. Let's upload 2 images. So I added some students image. Here also I'll add the same. So what I'll do is I'll duplicate, and then you can also move it here. Here you go. And now I'll change this image, replace, upload another image. Let it upload. So you have these 2 images. I'm putting save and close. And here we go. We have a pretty good mailer ready. So I'm just writing something more here. Join the clan. And we've also written offline and online batches available. And this I'm not putting it in bold to keep it more better. And of course, you can do more settings here. Maybe if you want to change the spacing, the intent, everything can be changed. The style, the background. There you go. Save and exit. Now it will ask you that what you want to name it, because since you created a template, it could be a welcome emailer, it could be, when we create drip emailers, it could be any emailers. So here I'm writing ADMCP 2021 admissions. Okay. So your template is done. So if you see, my template is created. I also had some more, I also had made another emailer, which was activity mailer, which we have every month. So I just created a newsletter that is a traditional mailer. If you see, this is more of a sale oriented mailer. This is a direct mailer, a promotional mailer, which we created right now.